Number 5, this is the 5th video. That's the that riding thing, like the hobby horse kind of thing, but I think, is it a llama? Or what is that thing, an alpaca? I don't know. So anyway, we're on our final push here. We're done soon. Go ahead and turn this around. And this is our tour now. We just got, let's see how many more boxes we have. We have that box over here, which is real light. We have 2 more boxes here. So the suitcases. Then these are the world's largest straws for a big daiquiri. I don't know what these are for. Plus a lighting thing. I don't know. Maybe I'll list this on Facebook Marketplace, like long plastic tubes. It's not medical. Maybe I'll put the suitcases next. Yeah, it's a shame on these right here. On the little cars, it's a shame I can't find the top to that one. I'm thinking maybe it's in one of these boxes, but there's not that. The boxes are pretty much the same. I did find when I went out there to load up the shoes, a bunch of brand new Tom, and they look like they're from the factory. Brand new Tom little kid shoes. Get that phone off. Kind of an angle. Yeah, little kid shoes, and she was selling them for $25. Then I said, I wonder how much they are. They're not at her little boutique, and they're $40. They're brand new. They have all the, all the brand new with tags and all that. So maybe I could sell those for $15 a pair, and I think there's about 20 of them in there. So this unit, a lot of people say, did you find gold? Did you find gold? Did you find, whatever you metal detect, they say 2 things. Did you find gold is 1, and number 2 is, or 3 things. Number 2 is, if you find any gold, I lost it. So was it gold teeth, a gold nose ring? Was it a gold pair of underpants like in Rocky Horror Picture Show? What was the gold item, sir, that you're saying you lost? I never say that, but really, obviously they didn't say that. The 3rd thing is, what are you looking for? Oh no, 4th thing, so did you find gold? Did you find gold? It's mine. What are you looking for? And did you find anything cool? And that's all cool, but I told my friend Emily, we were middle of the chicken, I said, see how long it takes for someone to ask me or ask us, did we find gold? And it didn't take long. So, but anyway, I wish I could find that piece right there. I have not found that piece. Those shoes, the most expensive piece of gold I found so far, or the most expensive piece of jewelry, was that one piece of gold. It was $125. So those shoes, if I can sell 10 pairs at $15, $150. So some of the sales might take me a little longer than just walking into a jewelry store and selling the little piece of jewelry for the melt value. But it is it'll be a slow sale. It's not gonna go over right away. I'm loading up putting on the cart those envelope things. I got the suitcases loaded into this next. Yeah, these still have the plastic on the wheels and everything, so brand new, so I don't know what happened to that piece. I mean, I'll definitely look for, I'll list 2 and then look for the other piece. Okay, yeah, I don't want to do too much right now. I'm going to take this one that I have loaded, I'll show it to you, and then I'll come right back and do the last one. And she had some of these balls too. This one's still in the plastic, hanging on the big metal rack I had yesterday. So this is number 5, and I'll put this over here. With a big bag of hangers. next, yeah, this it'll be easy to get this out of here, and I'm gonna sweep it and then return the cart. So this is what we have left. We'll do the last. So yeah, those Tom's shoes were a surprise. I didn't know. I thought I was gonna try to sell those tights, the Wonder Woman tights, like $20 for the box, not knowing that they're worth $10 each. And there's probably at least 120 in there. They're packs of 3, and they're stacked up. So I'm pretty sure there's like 60 on each side. 60 anyway. So I think it's about 100. It's about 120 pairs is what I think it is. So these are gonna be. I don't know what to do with these. These are just some kind of a retail display racks, I guess I'll call it. We got all these flowers, all of this, and there's a whole bouquet right there. We got those plastic things that she was selling for $5. Maybe I can sell them all together for $10. Those are the snow globes, snow pants. And there, I can't remember what's under this bear. Oh, just assorted stuff. But yeah, no jewelry box, no iPhone, no, Chromebook, nothing like that. Nothing at all like that. Sweeping won't be hard. I think this is a 10 by 10? 10, yeah, I think it's square. I think it is 10 by 10. This is a 10 by 10 unit, I believe, and we're almost done. I thought I'd be loaded up and saying goodbye at 11:30, but it's only 10:20, so probably loaded up and saying goodbye around 11, 10, and 1. So this is video number 5. We're going to take all this out here. Is there anything that you would like if you were in this unit? Do you think this unit went? I didn't pay for it, but it went for a total of $40. So, we got $40 probably just in these little cars for here. Maybe, well, no, not like 40, maybe like 20 in that because one's not working. Maybe $10 a piece, and then we got the flowers. Let's just see to hit $40. Do we have $40 even in here? Yeah, 2 snow globes. All those pants right there. They're like $20 each. They're all snow pants. 4 pairs there. We have like a small tamale pot. So yeah, I'm gonna wheel this out here, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave the phone in here because it got pretty hot outside right now. It's not as hot as it was yesterday. This is supposed to be the hottest day, but it's also not as late as it was yesterday. It wasn't the heat of the day. The heat of the day is around 1 o'clock. So, yeah. So the heat of the day hits at 1, then we're not there yet. But the Tom shoes, I was really surprised. And also there's some Nike cleats in there in that box. The big box of shoes, I thought it was just their own personal shoes, but I don't think anything in here is personal stuff these people played with, wore, or anything. It's all for sale. Kind of sad because how much money did she need to survive? Because there's thousands of dollars worth of inventory in here. The racks she didn't try to sell. He said that she was trying to survive for a while. She might have been thinking, well, I'll be able to start it up again. But maybe just was not. Sad. So anyway, this is the end of number 5. I'm gonna go load it up, and then I'll just load this. I'll sweep it while this is on the cart, so you can see what it looks like when it's done. Wheel out there, load. I'll take photos too of the other show her. Usually they don't want to. They're busy. I mean, these people think, oh, they're real lazy. They sleep in the apartment. Some of these get free apartment. I don't know if this one does, because she drove in from somewhere. So I don't know if it does start at. I mean, so does she live here? I don't know. Very nice lady. Can't pronounce her name. I'll write a review of the place, and I'll tell her I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna go get some barbecue, I think, after this, because one thing about this area is a lot of African American people, and African American people copied me by liking barbecue. They say, David, what do you think you like? I like to eat barbecue. Man, I want to eat some barbecue too. And then we all started eating barbecue. That's what happened. That's the origin of barbecue. I don't know if you knew that. I started that. Just kidding. But I don't really like smoked things like smoked turkey or whatever. I don't really like that, or smoked chicken. I'm not really into that. I'm more into like brisket. I do like some of the barbecue chicken, but they put a lot of sauce on the barbecue chicken, and I can't really have that. But what I can have is maybe I'm not gonna have a salad. Usually I get like a half pound of brisket, or if I'm really hungry, a pound of brisket, and then a salad with some ranch dressing, light. I put some sauce on the plate and I dip it, and then I eat. I don't smother it in sauce. For one thing, you want to be able to taste the meat. So if you have even a pound of brisket in a salad with no croutons and like a ranch or a balsamic vinegar or whatever. Usually they always have ranch, sometimes the other ones, but if you eat that, you probably add about 5 grams, even though you're eating a pound of meat. that has about 2 or 3 carbs, and then in the salad, then if you dip it that way, you're probably about 5 grams, 6 grams, 5 1, maybe 6 grams, and then the salad maybe 3. So you're under 10 grams for a meal, and they're saying 60 or 25 or 50 for the day if you're on keto. Okay, be right back.